How to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. So first of all, open up the Binance application or website and sign in into your account. After that, you can head over and go to the Wallets tab, and once you are here, go over to the funding section, and from funding, look out for the BNB that you're looking for, the available balance. After that, head over to Home tab again and look out for Convert option. Go to the Convert section and here select Convert. After that, go to the field, and from the field select the option called BNB. Just go ahead and type it in. Once you type it into the field, select USD. So in the from field, select BNB, and into the field, select USDT. After that, you may enter up the amount of BNB that you want to convert or tap max to convert it all. Once you do, you can just go ahead and preview the conversion to check the rate and how much USDT you'll be receiving. If you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and confirm it up. And that's it. Now you can tap on convert to complete the process, and your USDT will appear instantly in your spot wallet. So therefore, if you'd also like to convert BNB to USDT in Binance, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.